What is up, people? Thank you very much for joining us for yet another AT live session. We are going to be discussing an interesting thing in the market. Today we are going to be answering the question, how can you actually get a free robot from the MT4 code base? This is open source software that you can actually use to enhance your trading experience. So follow closely and come with me. So the first thing that we of course need to be very, very concerned about is you need to be able to access the terminal. That is the MT4 terminal. It's a very, very simplistic kind of way of putting things. So you just hit Control T and already you will be at the MT4 terminal. The other thing that you need to, of course, notice is that the MT4 terminal actually consists of several things. There is a tab for trade, which I have 71,000 running profit. There's exposure, there's account history, there's news, there's alerts, there's mailbox, there's market and everything. We go straight to the code base and I'm going to expand it because this is going to be the subject of our discussion today. So first things first is you need to notice that there are three different kinds of items that you will ordinarily always find on the code base. We have robots, we have scripts, and then thirdly, we have indicators. An indicator tells you what the market is actually doing and it reveals opportunities. A script is a one-off code that is used to do something like close all orders or hedge all orders or something like that. And then of course we have the robots, which we are interested in. So the robots will actually be the ones with the icon of a graduation cup. The scripts have the icon of a ribbon, and of course the indicators have a ribbon or an icon of an F. So we are going to be focusing on the graduation cups. So first thing you do is of course to arrange them on this column in terms of their rating. Try to arrange them from the most rated to the least rated so that you have the very cream on top. And then of course come on this other column for the name. Try to identify the one that has a graduation cup. Like that one, PP Infinite, Neural Mind, that's a robot. This one, Renko Charts, is a robot. And then of course, Trading Simulator is a robot, and on and on. So the whole idea is to actually get these top robots and backtest them against your strategy, backtest them against the pairs you trade, the time frames you trade, and see if they can make you money. The ones that can actually make you money, try to optimize them and then forward test them for a profit. With little luck, you can actually land a very, very, very good robot. And this is something that you will really appreciate in your trading journey. So thanks very much. I hope that was a bit clear. And I also hope that you are going to actually get to learn more and more. Thanks so much, guys. Thanks so much for listening to us. And thank you for your support. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your upvotes. Right now, I'm going to ask you to put in the notification bell. Please make sure you click it so that you get a notification every time we post a video. In the coming week, in this playlist, we are going to be going deeper and deeper about robots. We are going to be mastering how you can make your own robot. And I'm also going to be showing you how you can make your own, you can get your own free robot from ATFX that will be giving you signals on a daily basis. Very, very profitable ones from ATFX. So stay tuned. One thing I would like to say, of course, before we actually close this debate is that this code that comes from open source MT4 code base is actually, coming from people like you. So you need to be very, very careful when you are testing these robots, and you need to be very, very, very careful when you are doing stuff with it. There's no guarantee of profits. So ensure that you actually do a thorough backtest of this before going on to a live account. So that is it, guys. And I hope you learned something. See you in the next video. Cheers.